PT150. On today's episode, we're going to be installing a power tank mount on our 2020 JL Jeep. So let's go ahead and open this up, see what it looks like. So nice bracket, little power tank sticker on it, came with that sticker. Here's the hardware that we got there. Reading the directions, this will require a 7/32 Allen wrench and a 5mm Allen and a 9/16" wrench or socket to do the install. We're gonna have a little bit of Loctite we're gonna put on there. The directions here look fairly easy. So we do have a new Jeep in our barn. Ryan ended up purchasing a 2020 Jeep JL. This is sports. So we will have more videos coming forward with this. So let's go ahead and get this started. The power tank bracket, mount it to the power tank mounting bracket. And how this goes, this sticker goes towards the outside of the sports bar. So since this is driver's side and looking from the back, it's going to go like that. And then we're just going to put the power tank mount on it just like that. Bolts in. We're going to start in the center. These are the 3/8 Allens. And put those in there like that. I'm going to put a little bit of Loctite on these, just for preventative maintenance. You can see the Loctite on there. Then we're just going to go ahead and work our way around. Put a little bit of Loctite on that. And this definitely doesn't need red Loctite, but that's what we have. You could use blue. Really don't even need it. These do have kind of the nut does have a kind of a lock washer built into it, but I just don't want to ever hear it rattle. So we got those in like that. Then I'm just going to go ahead and snug these up. So we're using the 7/16" Allen, the 9/16" wrench. Then I'm just going to run it through just to make sure everything's got a nice torque on it. Like that. So there it is. That's what it looks like. Now the big thing here is we made a mistake earlier. These Allens need to face towards away from the power tank. This will hit the sports bar in the back, so just put the nuts in here on the inside. We end up just grinding these bolts down, just that way it doesn't stick out. It shouldn't be a problem. It's just stuck out maybe 1/8 of an inch, 1/4 of an inch, but we just kind of ground them down just to That way when someone sticks their hand in it, they don't get cut. So we're gonna go ahead now and mount this into the Jeep. All right guys, here we are in the back of Ryan's 2020 Jeep JL Sport S. So we're gonna go ahead and mount this up. It's gonna mount to the outside here of the sports bar. There's 2 holes up there. So first thing I'm gonna do is put a little bit of Loctite on these, on both of them. There's 2, these are 5mm. These are 5mm Allens. So we're gonna put the first Allen in, and then the second. And just trying to get it lined up there. Have that in there. Then we're just gonna snug it up. All right, there's the mount. It's installed. You can see it connected to the sports bar. Like I said, we just kind of ground those excess parts of the bolt sticking out. And we're gonna head and there it is. Go ahead and strap it down real quick. And there it is. That worked out really good, huh? Looks like it's gonna be nice and tight. Wasn't too bad to get in there, huh? All right, guys, Power Tank makes 2 different options. They make a passenger side mount and a driver side mount. We decided to go with the driver side mount, and I want to explain why we made that decision. On the passenger side, the mount would be here on the outside of the sports bar, and we figure when you're backing up and putting your head over your shoulder looking in reverse, kind of makes a little blind spot here. That was one of our deciding factors. The second reason is we don't like to take our power tanks out when we're filling up our tires. So we just want to keep it mounted, hook up our air hose, run around our tires, just makes it a little easier. And the reason that is, the regulator here is on the outside, not in the inside between the top and the tank. So it just makes it easier if you want to adjust your regulator. So that was our main factor why we decided to go with the driver's side. Perfect. All right, guys. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video, learned something. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe.